Howdy everyone. I recently saw a video by W9CR, Bryan Fields, testing the emission spectrum from a Baofeng radio. He's done a couple of these now, and honestly they're pretty scary looking. I thought I'd take a moment to fire up my spectrum analyzer and turn on my Yaesu FT-60 in the hopes of providing an example of a radio that's going to have a good spectrum output. So let me do a quick run through of my test setup here. I've got the Yaesu FT-60 here on. I've turned it to VHF. I also tested this on UHF, and you'll see the plots from those near the end of the video. But I've got it on here. I'll show you that I've got it on high power. You can see there it's on high. I've got it connected to an Andrews Silverline test cable. It's a high quality, low loss, stable test cable. It's running into a 30 dB attenuator rated for DC to 8.5 gigahertz from Windchill. It's 30 dB, 50 watt rated, and it's into my HP 8566A spectrum analyzer running in max hold mode. As you can see there on the display, I've got it running from 0 hertz to 1.5 gigahertz to catch all the potential spectrum. And then I'll jump over here to some plots and show you the results from my two tests. We'll start here with the results of the VHF test. Again, this is at 5 watts out of the Yaesu FT-60R handheld. We've got about plus 7 dB on the carrier there. You can see that as the tall peak with the pink X on the top. That's just about what we expect, with plus 37 dB being 5 watts. So minus 30 from that, because of our 30 dB attenuator, brings us to plus 7. So we're right on where we expect to be with regards to power. I have also put a delta marker, or a difference marker, between the carrier and the next highest spurious emission. That's going to be our next harmonic, and that's, as you can see, down from the carrier by 62.8 dB. So that's way down. Let's see if I pull up my chart here. Minus 62 dB is going to be less than 0.001 microwatts. So that's not milliwatts, that's microwatts. So that's well within compliance. And then if we flip over here real quickly to the UHF test, again, we've got our peak there at just about plus 7, which is where we expect for a 5 watt handheld. And then our next harmonic there, you can see again with the delta marker, is down minus 65 dB, 65.9 to be specific. And again, that's well below 0.001 microwatts. So well within spec, and this should be a good example of a high quality radio for a pretty reasonable price, in my opinion, considering the Yaesu FT-60R is not too much over $100 these days. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and just thought I'd make this as a quick response video to Bryan's excellent testing on the Baofengs. Thanks for watching.